Welcome to another video from Jetstream International. Today, we will take you inside the fascinating world of ground handling operations at Mumbai Airport, one of India's busiest and most important aviation gateways. Have you ever wondered what happens after an aircraft lands and before it takes off again? In this video, we will explore the complete aircraft turnaround process, including passenger handling, baggage operations, ramp services, cargo management, aircraft cleaning, fueling coordination, VIP handling, crew support, and much more. We will also see how Jetstream International helps airlines, business aviation operators, and charter flights maintain safe, efficient, and on-time operations at one of the busiest airports in the country. So stay with us until the end as we discover the essential services that keep aircraft moving and passengers traveling smoothly every day. Let's begin. Jetstream International. Fly higher with us. What makes Mumbai Airport challenging? Mumbai Airport handles hundreds of aircraft movements every day, including scheduled passenger airlines, business jets, charter flights, cargo aircraft, VIP and government flights. With limited parking bays and high traffic density, ground handling requires precise coordination between airport authorities, airlines, crew members, and service providers. This is where Jetstream International delivers professional support and operational excellence. Aircraft arrival coordination. Before the aircraft lands, our operations team begins planning and coordinating services. The team monitors estimated arrival time, ETA, parking stand allocation, passenger requirements, crew requirements, fuel requirements, catering requests, special handling requirements. Our operations specialists maintain continuous communication with airport authorities and airline representatives to ensure all services are ready before aircraft arrival. Ramp handling operations. Once the aircraft reaches its designated parking position, our ramp team immediately begins operations. Marshalling services. Trained personnel guide the aircraft safely into the parking stand using internationally approved hand signals and procedures. Wheel chocks placement. Safety chocks are placed around aircraft wheels to prevent unintended movement. Safety cones positioning. Safety cones are positioned around the aircraft to establish a secure operating area. Ground power unit, GPU. External power units are connected to supply electrical power to the aircraft while engines are shut down, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Air conditioning unit. Ground air conditioning equipment provides cabin cooling and passenger comfort during boarding and deplaning. Passenger handling services. Passenger satisfaction is a critical part of ground handling. Jetstream International coordinates arrival passenger assistance, passenger disembarkation, terminal guidance, special assistance services, VIP passenger handling, departure passenger assistance, check-in support, boarding coordination, gate management, passenger information services, special passenger services. Our team provides dedicated assistance for elderly passengers, passengers with reduced mobility, unaccompanied minors, medical assistance cases, VIP travelers. Baggage handling operations. Efficient baggage management is essential at a busy airport like Mumbai. Our services include baggage unloading. Immediately after arrival, baggage is unloaded using specialized equipment and transported securely to the terminal. Baggage sorting. Bags are sorted according to flight destination and airline requirements. Baggage loading. Before departure, baggage is loaded according to aircraft weight and balance calculations. Priority baggage handling. Special attention is given to first-class baggage, business class baggage, priority tags, fragile items, oversized baggage, cargo and freight handling. Mumbai Airport serves as a major cargo gateway for India. Jetstream International supports import cargo handling, export cargo handling, transit cargo management, express shipments, valuable cargo handling, dangerous goods coordination, temperature-sensitive shipments. Every shipment is managed according to international aviation regulations and airline requirements. Aircraft cleaning services. Aircraft presentation reflects airline quality standards. Our cleaning teams perform transit cleaning, quick cleaning during short turnarounds, deep cabin cleaning, comprehensive cleaning of passenger seats, galleys, lavatories, cabin floors, overhead bins, sanitization services, Enhanced hygiene procedures help maintain passenger safety and comfort. Aircraft refueling coordination. Fuel management is one of the most critical elements of flight operations. Jetstream International coordinates fuel supplier communication, fuel quantity verification, refueling supervision, documentation management. The process ensures aircraft receive the required fuel safely and efficiently while complying with airport regulations. Flight dispatch and operations support. Our operations team provides continuous support through flight planning assistance, weather monitoring, NOTAM coordination, permit coordination, slot coordination, airport authority liaison. These services help ensure smooth and compliant flight operations. Safety our highest priority. Safety remains the foundation of every operation. Jetstream International follows international civil aviation standards, airport safety regulations, airline operating procedures, ramp safety protocols, continuous staff training. Every task is performed with a strong commitment to safety, security, and operational excellence. Why choose Jetstream International? Jetstream International is committed to delivering fast aircraft turnaround times, professional ramp operations, passenger and baggage handling, cargo management expertise, VIP and business aviation support, 24/7 operational assistance, safety-focused service delivery, reliable coordination at India's busiest airports.
Jetstream International, excellence on the ground, efficiency in every operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you on another video.